What if almost every successful business follows the same 7 stages? It starts with one person, one idea, and almost no money. But here's the shocking part. Most businesses don't fail because their idea was bad. They fail because the owner gets stuck at the wrong stage. And getting stuck can quietly kill a growing business. So what are these 7 stages? Let's follow one entrepreneur named Alex and find out. In the next 8 minutes, you'll see all 7 stages. You'll learn what changes at each stage, and the biggest mistake that can stop growth. If you want to understand business, money, and wealth simply, subscribe to my channel, because understanding business growth can change how you think about money. Now let's start with the first stage. Meet Alex. He works a normal 9-to-5 job. Every morning he works, gets paid, and pays his bills. Then one day, Alex notices something unusual. His co-workers constantly complain about their expensive lunches. The food is unhealthy and takes too long to arrive. Alex gets an idea: affordable, healthy office lunches. He could prepare them and deliver them nearby. But Alex has no company, employees, or office. He doesn't even have a logo. He only has a problem he believes he can solve. And that's stage 1, the idea. But here's where many entrepreneurs make their first mistake. They spend months perfecting logos and websites before discovering whether anyone wants the product. Your first goal isn't building a company. It's finding someone willing to pay. Alex makes 10 lunches and visits a nearby office. He offers them to employees, but nobody cares. The next office says no. Then another one. But finally, one person says, "I'll try it." Alex makes the lunch, and the customer pays him $12. $12 sounds insignificant, but this is one of the biggest moments in his business. Someone who doesn't know Alex just paid for his solution. That's stage 2, the first customer. At this stage, don't focus on getting rich. Focus on learning why customers buy. What did they like? What did they hate? Would they buy again? Your first customers aren't just revenue. They're information that helps you build a better business. 6 months later, Alex has 40 customers. His business makes $8,000 every month. Alex thinks, "I'm finally making money." Then he calculates food, packaging, delivery, and advertising. He adds equipment, taxes, refunds, and other expenses. After everything, almost nothing is left. This is stage 3, survival. And this is where thousands of businesses die. Revenue creates excitement, but profit creates survival. Business A makes $100,000 and keeps $5,000. Business B makes $60,000 and keeps $20,000. Which business is actually healthier? The answer isn't always the one with higher revenue. Alex must understand 3 numbers: revenue, costs, and profit. Because sales look impressive, but profit is oxygen. Alex changes the business and focuses on the 3 best meals. He improves quality, delivery, and listens to complaints. Then something strange begins happening. Customers start coming back. Then they recommend Alex to their co-workers. Those co-workers become customers too. Alex no longer has to convince everyone from zero. People already understand the value. This is stage 4, product market fit. Before it, you're pushing the product toward customers. After it, customers start pulling the product toward themselves. Here's a simple test. If you stopped advertising tomorrow, would anyone still buy? If yes, you're starting to build something real. Alex now has 300 customers, but success creates a new problem. He's answering messages, buying supplies, checking orders, and handling complaints. He's working 12 hours every day. The business is growing, but Alex isn't getting free. He's becoming an employee of his own company. That's why the next stage is systems. Build processes that work without you. Alex realizes he can't do everything alone anymore. He hires help, one for deliveries, one for messages. He creates simple systems, checklists, and scripts for every task. Letting go feels uncomfortable at first. But this is stage 6, delegation and scale. The business can only grow as fast as Alex can multiply himself. Soon, orders get filled without him doing everything himself. For the first time, the business grows even when Alex takes a day off. That single moment changes everything. A year later, Alex has 30 employees in multiple locations. His job now is hiring, reviewing numbers, and planning growth. He decides how he spends his mornings. This is stage 7. Freedom, not from work, but from trading time for money. The business makes money whether Alex works today or not. He didn't skip a single stage to get here. Idea first, customer, survival, product market fit, systems, then scale. If you're building something now, just ask, what's the next stage? If this helped, subscribe to my channel. Every big company started at stage 1.